how to put your Instagram link on the Facebook page. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to put your Instagram link on the Facebook page. First, navigate to the Instagram app on your phone. Here, go to the profile icon and find the Share Profile button. Now tap Share Profile and copy the link to your account by tapping Copy Link. Next, navigate to the Facebook app on your phone. Then, go to your Facebook from the menu. Once you're on the page, scroll down to find the link website option. Now tap Add Social Link to paste your link. Then, paste your link and save the changes to your account. The Instagram link will be visible in your About section of the page. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.